Hello friends, in the last video we had gone through the different types of letters, that is formal letter and informal letter. Today in this session, in this video, we are going to have a sample of a letter. Friends, informal letter is the letter written to our friends, relatives, or you can say the family members. Here is an example of a letter to our friend. So today we are going to invite our friend to celebrate, to enjoy the summer vacation. So what are the different aspects of the letter? What should be there in a letter and how should be written in a particular format? That is what we are going to see today. So friends, while studying the structure of a letter, the first part of an informal letter, the first aspect of an informal letter is the address. So the first part, that means the sender's address, who is writing the letter, his address, his or her address should be written at the beginning of the letter. So here is a sample. One more thing I would like to clear here, that in the new format of the letter, we must write the every aspect of the letter at the left of the page. That means previously we used to write the letter, we used to write the address of the letter at the right of our page, but nowadays we are going to write the address or all the aspects of the letter right to the left of our page. For example, address should be there at the left, even the conclusion, or you can say the complementary end also should be at the end of the letter. So why the changes are there? The changes are because of the advent of computer. So while typing on a computer, it would be convenient for us to write at the left of the page. That's why these changes has been made. So here is a sample of a letter and you can see this is the address. So what should be there? What are the compulsory things in an address? First one is the name of the sender. Later you should write the address, but while writing the address you should keep in mind that we should not take more than 3 lines. You should conclude maximum in 3 lines. For example, 21 A21 Radha Villa Latur, that's much. One more line you can add for your convenience. So this is the important part included in the address of the sender. So this is the sender's address. One more thing should be added in the address, that is the date. Keep in mind that the format of the date should be in a particular way. You cannot write the date like this 21-3-20. You cannot write in this way. So this is the general format of writing the date on your letter. That means 21st March 2020. So this could be the format of your letter and this could be the format of writing your date. So this is the important these are the important aspect of your letter. I mean to say of your address. Later, the next part of your letter is the salutation. Stop. Just use dear and the name of your friend. Either you can write or you can't. Means you start your salutation with dear, comma, that's all, finish. So this is the salutation of your letter, and later don't forget to put the comma here at the end of your salutation. While writing the body matter of the letter, you should start from here. And what should be there in your body? As your letter is an informal letter, you can talk informally. You can ask about the situation, or while writing the body or matter of the letter, you should start your body, or you should start your matter informally. For example, you can ask for his present condition there. I am fine here, hope you are also fine. In this way you can start your formal year. Other thing, you can start your body, you can start your matter. For example, I received your letter yesterday, I felt very glad, I became very happy to read. So in this way, in a informal way, you can start your matter. And what are the important aspects should be included in the matter? Three things are there, 3 points are there. Your matter, your body should be classified into 3 paragraphs. Either you can take three paragraphs, or you can write in a 1 paragraph, but these three things are necessary here. For example, first paragraph should be the introduction, then you can begin your second paragraph with your main content, and lastly in a 2-3 lines you can summarize your body. In a way, you have full scope to speak, to write in a informal way. Many things you can add here, but these three things should be added here: introduction, main content, and summary. Lastly, the complementary end of the letter. And mind it, again I would like to clear here, you should write the complementary end of the letter right at the left of your page. Like here, you can conclude, you can write your complimentary end in this way: yours lovingly, write your name and put signature. This will be the end of your letter. Thank you.